Hey guys, Brad here from Scooter Street. Look, we're glad you've made it to our website. Whether you're an avid scooter tuner, you're just starting out, or maybe you're just looking for some replacement parts to fix your scooter, you're in the right place. Now here's a couple of tips on how to use our website. We have a bunch of resources available for free on the website, as well as a huge range of parts available for many different models of scooter, from low-end performance parts to high-end performance parts, and many replacement parts if you're looking to do a repair on your scooter. Now, to find the parts for your scooter, whether it be factory or modified parts that you're looking for, head to the top menu of our website. You'll see at the menu there's 50cc to 100cc models, and right next to it is 125cc plus models as another drop down. So if you hover over the one that's appropriate for your model of bike, there'll be a number of brands that drop down. Simply, again, hover over the brand of your model of scooter, and you'll see right next to it the models available for that brand of scooter will also be available. So click on the one that is appropriate for your model of scooter. This will take you to a page that has a wide variety of parts, from standard factory parts to modified parts. Now, for models such as the Piaggio Zip and the Aprilia SR50R, when you hover over the model, an additional list of breakdown parts will appear on the right hand side, such as cylinder kits, exhausts, etc. This is because on these models there's a really wide variety of parts available, so it gives you a further breakdown, but you can also select all parts, and this will show you a page of every single part that's available for that scooter. Now, if you can't find your model of scooter on our website, or you can't find the part that you're looking for, simply click the Get in Touch tab on the top right hand side of our menu and send us an email with a detailed list of the parts that you're looking for, and we'll get back to you. We really commonly order special order parts for customers all the time. Now, we also have a wide variety of resources available on our website. If you head up to tuning info in the main menu again, you'll see on there we have our full YouTube library available on our website, as well as our YouTube channel. We also have a number of articles about scooter tuning and repair available for free on our website. We also offer phone support, in which you can purchase some phone time to chat with us over video or regular phone chat, and to try and sort out some problems or scooter tuning questions that you may have for your scooter. We also, on top of that, offer a wide range of workshop gear and tools, so you have the right parts and the right gear to do the job that you need to do on your scooter. Now, when ordering parts on our website, you'll see there are one of two different stock types on each product. Now, this is either in stock in Oz Warehouse or in stock in Euro Warehouse. Now, we keep a wide range of stock in our Australian warehouse, but to offer the widest range of parts possible for larger, more expensive or less common parts, we keep them in stock in our Euro Warehouse. Now, if you do order a part from our Euro Warehouse, we receive orders from this warehouse daily. So rest assured, if you order your part and it says 8 to 12 days, it will arrive to us within that time frame and will be express shipped out to you as soon as it does. At Scooter Street, we've been highly active with scooters and scooter tuning for well over a decade. So we'd love to see pictures of your scooter and your build. We're highly active on our YouTube and our Instagram, so please send pictures through. Look, we're glad you've made it to our website. If you have any questions about how to order parts or something that you'd need for your scooter, please contact us via the contact link at the top right hand side of the website. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to be involved in your current or next scooter project.